Okay, so let's do this. Pull out your worksheets from Miss Luna's class. Okay, Alondra has it out. You have it out? Giovanni? You're gonna need a pencil? You come on.
You have a sharpener.
I don't have a sharpener. Okay. You don't have it? Look for your math notebook. Where's your math notebook? Okay, we're gonna start on number 2. Okay? Still have it? Okay, we're just gonna follow along with me, alright? You're gonna be my calculator guy. Alright? Ready? So I'm gonna need you to do your math quick.
I don't have it.
Come on. Okay, we're gonna start with number 2, so check it out. You have, what's it say? What's it say? Number 2. What's the first quantity?
We did that one.
I know, but just tell it to me.
3 cans for 98 cents.
Okay, so here's how you do it. You're gonna put the price on top. It's 98 cents in this case, and whatever you're buying in this case is cans on the bottom. Okay. 3 cans for 98 cents. Just write this down. Okay. Now here's something I want you to keep in mind. It's called the Thibault rule. Let me see who's good. Let me use your mic. Thibault, T-I-B-O. Hey, stop messing with that. Come on. Stop. Stands for top in, bottom out. That means that when you divide, where are we putting the 0.98? Giovanni. 0.98. Where is it going?
Inside the box.
Inside. Got it?
Yep.
So 0.98. And where does the bottom go? Bottom out.
What does table stand for?
Top in, so top number inside, bottom out. So the bottom number goes that side, okay? Like that. Okay, so again, top in, bottom out, divide that. You should be writing this. You guys have your boards for a reason. I made you bring boards. Here.
I already did this one.
It's okay, we're gonna double check it. Make sure you get it right.
I did that one.
Let's check it. Giovanni. Or at least set up the other one then. Set up this one. 12 cans. Okay. So now, you guys remember when we were going over long division? Remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. Same rules. You borrow your marker again. Same rules, okay? Look at one number at a time, except this time we're going to start with the decimal because there's a decimal there, okay? So how many times is 3 going to 9? 3. You guys quick with these numbers. Giovanni, what's 3 times 3?
3 times 3?
Yeah.
3 times 3?
Yeah, 3 times 3.
9.
Okay, 9. 9 minus 9? 9. Hey, 9 take away 9?
9 take away 9?
Yeah.
0.
Good. Okay, Miguel, how many times 3 going to 8? 3? 3 going to 8.
What's in that one?
Come on, wait for this part. 4. 2. 2 is good. 2 is good. What's 3 times 2?
3 times 2? 3 times 2? 6.
Ah, there you go. 6.
And then you call me.
Yep, well you took the money. Okay. Now look, when you're dealing with money, because we're trying to figure out money here, Giovanni, you're tracking me. When you're dealing with money, you only need to stop at 2 places, so that's where it's done, okay? So what's the price per can? Alondra? What's the price per can? 32 what?
32 cents.
Cents. So this is 32 cents per can. See that?
That's the answer?
That's for this one. Now you have to figure out the unit price for that.
Can I put that right there?
If you want, you can write it under so that you know the unit price. And you got it? Okay, tell you what, Giovanni. Then why don't you get started on number 4? Go to the bathroom and come back and start number 4. Quickly. Okay. So, you see the second one? 12 cans for 14. Okay, I want you to set it up. You can look at this. You can look at the way I did this. Use this to set yours up.
What's the... Wait, which one?
This one.
The top and
Well, which one goes on top? The price or the quantity?
right?
Okay, so put that on top. Set it up as a fraction first. Alright, Miguel? Let's set this up. Let's set this up, Miguel.
Doesn't the eraser?
Erase this. Alright, let's see what we have. Yeah, 12 on the outside. Good, because that's our. Okay. Okay, Alondra.
No.
So, Miguel, you're going to help Alondra do this. Let's divide $4.14, $4.14 divided by 12. Come on. Okay. You good? $4.14. Okay, you see how Miguel started with the zero? Why didn't you start with the zero?
Because it doesn't fit.
Because it doesn't
Just
fit.
put a check.
Start with the zero. Down. Just leave it alone. Thank you. Come on, you're getting started on number 4. Okay. Did you hear him again, son?
Yeah.
It doesn't fit. Right? It's too big. Start with the 0. Yep, over the 4. No, over the first number. There we go. Now bring up the decimal. Okay. Now look at it. 41. Is it 3?
Yeah.
Let's go times 3.
38.
It's not 38.
36.
Number 4. Let's start at number 4.
36.
36. You agree with that?
Can I see the
All
card?
right, go 3. No. You're going to start number 4. Like this. You start on number 4.
I don't have a marker.
You need a marker, you need a pencil.
A marker?
Number 4.
He has a marker.
Number 4. Okay, so what's next, Alondra? 12 times 3 is what?
We'll see what it... 36?
Okay, 36. Just line it up under the 41. Yeah. Always line it up like that. So you're going to subtract. It writes enough? Come on.
It doesn't work. What's wrong?
It writes enough. All you need to do is be able to work it out.
Okay.
4 bags for $2.39. Price goes on top, quantity on the bottom. Come on.
We'll leave.
That's not time to go yet.
I got it. I got the answer.
You run this one? No? Set it up as a fraction first. Hey. Set it up as a fraction first. Price on top, quantity on the bottom.
Got it.
Okay. Let's see. Alondra, is yours going to match? What's 41 minus 36?
181.
Wait, what?
Subtract. 41 minus 36. Giovanni. Number 4. Set it up as a fraction.
Number 4?
Put the price on top. What's the price?
4.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Number 3. 4. That's the quantity. That's not the price. What's the price? Subtract it. Subtract it. It's not 4. What's 30? What's 41 minus 36?
40 what?
41. Look at your numbers. Minus 36. Subtract.
Can I use that one later?
This one?
Mhm.
Here. Okay. What's your price? Okay. Line? What's the quantity? 4. There you go. Now, which one goes inside, which one goes outside? What about your 2? Where's the decimal? Okay, divided. What'd you get? That's 11 minus 6. What's 11 minus 6? Start from 6. Yeah, 5.
Look at the black car.
554. Here it says 4 times 12 is 48, and that's as close as you're going to get, so let's go with that. So that's a 4, okay. And 12 times 4? 48. 48.
Look at the black car.
Okay. You don't need to. You already got your 2 numbers. So what's the unit rate there? 34 what?
Got the answer.
Okay, write the unit rate. Here. 34 cents per. Now, look at the problem. Giovanni, I will give you the attention if you don't stop that.
34 cents.
Per can. So right here. Write that under it. Giovanni? So what do you have? 34 cents for what?
34 cents.
For what? Look at number 3. What's the problem talking about?
Bugs.
Bag?
Yeah, bugs.
Bag.
Bags.
I just say the unit rate with me. 34 cents
34 cents a bags.
per bag.
Per bag.
Okay, write it under. Write it under.
I don't want to do with them.
Hey, don't worry about that. Write it under. Yeah, pencil. Okay, Alondra, which one's the better deal? That one? Yeah. So circle that. Okay. You understand how to do it now? Okay. Take the next couple of them. Right? Get up quickly, man. Come on. You gotta get this done. Do you want homework when you get home? Are you gonna do it? Okay, then finish it here. You only have, look, 1, 2, 3. You only have 3 problems. Okay, you do these 3, you're done with your math homework. You go home, you play video games, whatever you like to do.
Oh my gosh, this is the answer.
That's not the answer.
This is.
What's that? You gotta show me those unit rates. You already have the answer. Look, 34 per bag. Just write that under.
I know that's not the answer.
Just not the answer either.
Yes, it is.
The good deal is when you pay less per unit.
What's the.
Okay?
Okay. I'll get it.
Not when you pay more, it's when you pay less. Okay, Miguel, I want you to solve this for me.
Okay, so let's make our point. All of you. Anyway, so how do we solve it? How do people get out? Otherwise, if I don't get out the first time, other people keep making rules. Like, I don't get out the first time, so we keep doing it. So how do you
Which one are you on?
I'm in 39.
This one?
Finish.
475. 4. Should be 475 over 4. Did you get 239? Oh, you're on number 3. Yeah, okay, go ahead.
You're out.
Divide that.
Out.
Divide that.
Yeah, but you guys like.
Yes. You're not showing me any work. You have to show Ms. Luna your work.
No, you're out.
Show her the unit rate. What's this unit rate?
If at that point half the game's over and there's
30.
no,
That's 34 cents?
you. I'm so sorry. You're out. No, you're out of here. No.
Per what?
Like, you can't get out of here.
Per what?
Percent.
No? For what are the units? What are you buying here? Cans, pounds, ounces, bags? What is it? Okay, fine. Next one. Erase that. Go ahead. You can get started on your own. Is that 16? Okay. So 16 cents. Okay. Giovanni. That's going to help you out with number 4, okay? Look, for the first one, his unit rate is 16 cents. Write it down, 16 cents. For what? For what? For what? Okay. So Miguel figured this one out for you. Now you figure out the second one. Erasing?
This is the cheapest one.
You're not getting started.
This is the cheapest one.
You don't know that.
Yes, I do.
Need you to show me. Need you to prove it.
You know what can I prove it? Because this one has a...
Erase that. Erase that. Okay. Where's the other one? Erase it. Did it help? Okay. Yeah. You want to help with
Okay. What's
I know. Look. She's got a different one. Okay.
hard?
This is so hard.
It's not hard. It's hard because you're not listening.
I don't know.
I'm telling you what to write. Set it up as a fraction.
Is that an
What time is it?
Don't worry about it. Set it up as a fraction.
4?
Price on top.
2.
It's not 99, it's 19. Okay? Over. No, over. Is that 5.5? Not a 2.
What is it?
It's not a 2.
Is that whole?
Don't worry about it.
What
Work
it
with
has a 2 right there?
Because it's 2 of those. You only need 1. Okay, this one's different. See how you have a decimal outside? You need to move it over so this becomes a whole number.
Mm-hmm.
So move it over one spot.
Mm-hmm.
Move it over.
Oh.
There's our new number, just 55. Got it? So that one, if you move it over outside, you have to move it over in here. So move that over one. Not there. There. So now where's your decimal? Okay. 55 into 11. How many times? Do that.
2.
55 into
One.
11?
No, kidding. 3.
Okay. Can you help me with this? Let's see, what'd you guys get? 2, 4 can't go into 2 times. It's too big.
That marker.
Oh, this one. What's the other one? Alright, you want it? 55 into 11.
This one doesn't work.
The other one does another one. 1? Isn't it kind of big? 55 into 11?
Oh, 4.
4?
Just kidding.
Should be 0.
Why?
Because 55 is too big to go into 11. What is 0?
1.
It is 0? Okay, now we gotta go 55 into 119. So let's do it over here on the side. Try multiplying it by 2. Let's see what you get. What do you need? Marker. What happened to the other marker? Did you guys lose my markers already? Those are Ms. Luna's markers.
Sit there.
There it is. Wait, quick with this. Alondra, I'm just trying to figure this out.
Is it?
You have your times tables right here. 4 goes into 2 0 times. There, I got you started. Because 4 is too big. Now you have 23. How? Get a 4 close to the 23. How many times? Multiply by 2. Let's start with that. Come on. Start. One at a time. Giovanni. One at a time. What's 2 times 5? Good. That's not 10. You carried a 1, so you have to add it. That's 10 plus 1. There you go. That's as close as you're going to get.
Marker.
That's as close as you're going to get, so let's go with that. Let's go with that. No. You know where to put it. That doesn't go there. What did you multiply by?
Yeah.
Alondra, I want you to focus over here.
I'm done.
What'd you get?
0, 33. 33.
33?
No, 3.
0.3? Is that what you got? 0.3? Yeah.
0.54.
You got what number is that?
Huh?
What number is that?
Oh, it's 54.
54. Okay, write it under the price, right? Because that's your unit rate. 0.54.
We're gonna do everything?
And that's not the right one. Yeah, so you should have bought the right one. What did you multiply by? Look right here. What did you multiply by? No, ignore this. We're looking at
I
here.
already got the answer.
We're looking here. What did you multiply by?
I don't know.
What number is that? Giovanni, what number is this right here? You wrote it.
Can I erase it?
Yeah. Try the next one. Giovanni? What number is this?
X.
That's not an X.
What number? What?
That one.
1100.
That's that number. I'm talking up here.
110.
This one.
2.
Okay, that's what goes here, over the 9. With the marker, come on. Okay. This 110 goes down here. Because you're gonna subtract it from 119.
I don't see Giovanni's hand.
Come on. Quickly. No. Quickly. Stop. Okay. Stop. Stop. She's got the next one. Can you help her with that? That goes down there.
What
This
goes on there?
goes here because you're going to subtract it. Make sure it's a 0. It's like a 6. You're going to throw yourself off.
What looks like a 6?
9 minus 0?
It cannot fit.
9 minus 9 take away 0 is 0?
Yeah.
So if you have 9 and you take away nothing, you have 0? Okay, 9. Add a 0 here. Bring it down. How many times is 55 going to 90? Giovanni, Giovanni. How many times is 55 going to 90? Stop.
I don't know.
Well,
How
look,
many 50 times?
look. What's 55 times 2?
Huh?
What's 55 times 2?
55 times 2?
You have it right there.
What? 1100.
That's 110.
110.
Is that too big? Is that bigger than 90? So can it go in twice? Or does it have to be less?
Less?
Okay, so what's the only number left? What's less than 2?
3.
Less than 2.
1.
Yeah.
21?
Yeah.
This is the answer.
Which one are we working on here? We're working on this one. That's 21.
That's it. This is the answer.
Okay, circle it.
Oh, I get it now.
Yes, the one that's
Wait, no,
less.
which one is the answer?
You have to divide them first.
This one.
No, you have to divide it first. You can't just know. This one, you have to do a quart. There's 4 quarts in a gallon.
What's your paper? Oh no, you don't have the number 4.
Okay. I have to send you guys back because class is almost over. But now you know how to do this, yes?
Yes.
Feel confident?
Yes.
Thumbs up, sideways, down. What about you?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to keep working on this.
No,
I don't even
Yeah,
think
that's
it's
right.
no.